Hello, Josh Crawford here. I'm one of the attorneys at Robert J. Coolis, PA, estate planning attorneys in Port St. Lucie, Florida. And today I'm going to talk about nursing homes and whether they can take away your home. People are always afraid of this. They think the nursing home or the state is going to take away their house if they ever need nursing home care. The good news is it's not true. They can't take away your house. They can't take away your home. And that's because of the Florida homestead rules and also the Florida Medicaid rules. So this breaks down into two things. Can they take away your house if you're in a nursing home while you're alive? The answer is no, they cannot. The nursing home has no power to take away assets from you. But you are going to have a nursing home bill, and so you want to try to get that paid for. One way to do that is by getting Medicaid. And so a lot of people have to sell properties in order to meet the Medicaid requirements. But one Medicaid rule is that they do not count your house when they are trying to determine whether you get help to pay your nursing home bills, meaning Medicaid doesn't count your house against you. So while you're alive, the nursing home is not going to count your house. The Medicaid's not going to count your house. You could own a $400,000 house, and if that's all you owned, you would get Medicaid. So while you're alive, no one can take your home just because you need nursing home care. When you are gone, no one can take your house. So this is a worry people have heard about in the newspapers and things. Basically, it's called estate recovery. And it's the rule that when you die, technically the state of Florida, if you received any nursing home Medicaid help, could come after your estate to pay themselves back. Well, people are afraid then that the state is going to steal away their home if they ever took any government money while they were in a nursing home while they were alive. It's just not true because the Florida Constitution protects homes against these types of claims. So your home is a protected asset while you're alive and when you have passed away when it comes to nursing home problems. Some people do come into one problem. The one problem is that, let's take the case where I just said that if you own a $400,000 house and that's the only thing you own, but you're in a nursing home, Medicaid's going to help you pay those bills. Well, that's true, but they are not going to let you have an allowance, so to speak, to pay for your property taxes or your homeowner's insurance. Basically, they don't want any of your extra money to go to keeping the house. So the family might get scared. They have a nursing home. They have nursing home covered by Medicaid, but they still have to keep up that house by paying the property taxes. So they can't sell the house because if they sold the house, that means Medicaid is going to count the cash they get from the house sale against them and they will lose Medicaid. But they also have a problem because they don't have enough money to pay the property taxes or insurance. So this comes up often, and there are definitely elder law strategies to prevent this problem from occurring. But if you have not done pre-planning or anything like that, the one solution that you could use is renting the house. You could rent the house while your loved one is in a nursing home, and you are allowed to use the tenant's rental money to keep up the house by paying the property taxes and fixing the roof or whatever. But any extra money has to go towards the nursing home. But the good news is that the house is still protected because in Florida, Medicaid does not count rental properties against you either. So you have protected the home, you have paid for the home through rental income from tenants, and basically, it's a good strategy sometimes to rent the house. If you want any more information on the house rules and how the house interacts with Medicaid or nursing homes or just estate planning in general, feel free to come by, talk to us, schedule an appointment with myself. Again, my name is Josh, and I enjoy doing these blogs, so check in from time to time. We'll keep doing them for you. Take care.